In today's video, we will be talking about Canva, how to use Magic Design for presentations. Now, this feature is available in the Magic Studio. As you can see here, this is a new feature of Canva where all the different AIs are located in one place. And scrolling down, you will be able to see at the first part, you have your Magic Design. You have the option Magic Design for presentation over here, which will help you create and generate your presentation with ease and very small amount of time. So let's click on try now to see how it works. As you can see here, it will show us a pop-up on how it works. You're first going to start with describing your presentation in a few words. Then watch Magic Design lays out a perfect slides based on what you think or what you told it. And this is perfect for if you're having a writer's block, and you could pair it with the Magic Write feature, which is also an AI, which helps generate some words that you could put into your presentation. So let's click on try Magic Design so that we could showcase and try it out for ourselves. And let's see the output that we will be able to produce. Now, this is your traditional output over here. The Magic Design will automatically generate this two-page over here explaining how the Magic Design would work. As you can see, simply click on the search bar on the left side, which is this one over here. This is our search bar. Then simply write a prompt. This is an example prompt, which is a pitch for meeting free lunches at work. That is an example prompt. And then you can simply click on enter, and then it will generate your Magic Design. So for us, you could say futuristic presentation of AI. Then simply click on enter. And then you have this option over here. This is also part of the Magic Design. But what we're looking for is this part over here, the Magic Design part. This one is for the pre-filled slide. But this one is the design generated by Magic Design itself. So let's click on see all. And it will generate you 4 total design. It's not going to be perfect. It's not going to be the best output. But as you can see, you will still have a generated output for you to use. And if you open one, you can see the different styles over here, the different page design. Then you can simply click on apply all 7 pages, which will then apply it onto your presentation as you can see here. And this is the output that you have over here. You could try another one. You could go back and you could search for another type of design. Breakfast, meal, style. Then click on search. And let's see the Magic Design for this one as well, so that we could check it out. Click on see all. Now, this is like an AI image generator where it's generating a few sets of image. But I think the better your prompt is, or the easier your prompt is, the more output it will produce, or the more design. As you can see here, for example, we go with this one again. Then you can click on apply all 7 pages. And then you will be able to receive and have your design over here on the right side. Now, of course, you can modify all of this part. You can move them around. You can change the image if you want. This is just a template for you to use and utilize to improve your output or to save you a lot of time. And that's basically how the Magic Design presentation works. There is no complicated way of using it. It has a less features than the video, but as you can see, you will be able to produce quick and easy presentation just for you to use for yourself. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.